I am trying something new. If you like it, let me know. And if you don't, drop a comment too. Your feedback helps us to improve and create better. जब न अक्षर थे, न शिला पर नाम, सिर्फ समय की सांसें और मिट्टी का काम। पहाड़ों ने देखा पहला जन्म, पत्थरों से लिखी गई मानवता की थम। न राजा था, न नगर कोई पास, फिर भी जीवन था और इतिहास था खास। Prehistoric India is the period before the invention of writing and the use of scripts. This era is known mainly through archaeological findings such as stone tools, pottery, cave paintings, and burials. It is divided into five major phases: the Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, and Megalithic ages. These stages represent the gradual evolution of human society from nomadic life to settled farming, use of metals, and ritualistic burial systems. First, Paleolithic Age, Old Stone Age. Time frame 2 million BCE, 10,000 BCE. पहाड़ों की छाया में गुफाओं का घर था, शिकार ही जीवन का पहला सफर था। आग की चिंगारी ने दिया उजियारा, जंगल में कांपती रातों को मिला सहारा। हाथों में पत्थर, आंखों में लक्ष्य, इंसान ने सीखा था पहला संघर्ष। During this age, humans were hunters and food gatherers. They used crude stone tools like hand axes, cleavers, and choppers. People lived in caves and rock shelters to protect themselves from animals and harsh climate. The discovery of fire helped in cooking and survival. Cave paintings show early imagination and daily life. Notable sites include Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, known for rock art and shelter, Atirampakam in Tamil Nadu, which has some of the oldest tools in India, and Kurnool caves in Andhra Pradesh, where ash layers indicate the use of fire. Second, Mesolithic Age, Middle Stone Age. Time frame 10,000 BCE, 8,000 BCE. अब पत्थर हुए नुकीले, नजरें थीं तेज, धनुष की डोरी में था जीवन का संदेश। कुत्ता बना साथी, एक नई पहचान, बचपन था मानवता का, पर थी उड़ान। चित्र बने संकेत, सोच ने ली दिशा, लाशों को भी सम्मान था, फिर दिया। Tools became sharper and smaller, known as microliths. The dog was domesticated, and humans began living near water bodies in semi-permanent settlements. The idea of burial began, indicating belief in life after death. Bow and arrow were introduced. Key places include Bagor in Rajasthan, showing microliths and domesticated animals, Langhnaj in Gujarat, where skeletons and tools were found, and Sarai Nahar Rai in Uttar Pradesh, showing hunting and fishing activities. Third, Neolithic Age, New Stone Age. Time frame 8000 BCE, 2000 BCE. धरती से दोस्ती का आरंभ हुआ, बीज बोए गए, जीवन में क्रम शुरू हुआ। बकरी, गाय, भेड़ बनी घर की शान, कच्चे घरों में बसी अब नई जान। मिट्टी के पात्रों में पानी का स्वर, सभ्यता ने पहना अब श्रम का वस्त्र। Agriculture started with the cultivation of wheat, barley, and rice. Animals like cattle and goats were domesticated. Permanent houses of mud and thatch became common. Tools were polished and pottery became widespread. Grain storage and weaving began. Prominent sites are Mehrgarh in Pakistan, with early evidence of farming, Burzahom in Kashmir, where pit dwellings and bone tools were found, and Koldihwa in Uttar Pradesh, where rice cultivation and circular huts were discovered. Fourth, Chalcolithic Age, Copper Stone Age. Time frame 3000 BCE, 700 BCE. ताम्र की चमक संग पत्थर की धार, गांवों में जागी जीवन की बहार। घड़ों में पानी, खेतों में अन्न, रंगों में बसी थी जीवन की अग्नि। व्यापार के रस्ते, विश्वास के गीत, मिट्टी में उकेरे गए जीवन के मीत। Copper tools came into use along with stone tools. Pottery became more colorful and decorative. Agriculture and cattle rearing were well established. People lived in villages with granaries. Trade and fire worship began. Important places include Ahar in Rajasthan with red black pottery, Jorve in Maharashtra with planned settlements and burials, and Kayatha in Madhya Pradesh, known for painted pottery and copper tools. Fifth, Megalithic Age, Iron Age. Time frame around 1200 BCE onwards. जब लोहा चमका, खेतों ने सांस ली, हल की धार से धरती सींची गई थी। मृतकों को दफनाया गया शिला के घेरे में, यादें पत्थरों में, जीवन अंधेरे में। जातियां बनी, सत्ता के अंकुर फूटे, इतिहास के पन्ने अब धीरे धीरे छूटे। Iron tools made farming easier and more efficient. Plows and sickles were common. Large stone structures, called megaliths, were used to bury the dead, along with grave goods, showing belief in afterlife and social hierarchy. Early signs of governance appeared. Sites of significance include Halur in Karnataka with iron tools, Adichanallur in Tamil Nadu with urn burials and iron weapons, and Brahmagiri in Karnataka, where pottery and graves show early South Indian culture. Curious minds never stop exploring. Subscribe to Insight Daily and let's keep discovering India's rich heritage together.